You are going to love the 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.